Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this amazing product which is about the Skin Expert 3. It's written over here and the brand name is BRAUN, and there was some discount going on, that's why it's season greeting is mentioned over here. This is new Novia, and with this they are giving some Venus Gillette razor also, and this product is safe and effective permanent visible hair remover. You have heard about the hair removal cream, razors, waxing process, but this has some flashlight by which you can remove your hairs permanently from any part of your body. So what else? Over here you can see the process, how it works. From the laser light is going to your hair and the hairs are getting removed, then no hair. So this is how the product works. And what else they are getting, your body will be gentle and soft, and they have a power, non-stop power. And how many flashlight it is giving? It's 250,000 flashlights they are providing with this. So after that it's of no use. By that time all your hair should be removed. So that's the point. There are some more information they have mentioned, which part of bodies you can use, basically arms, underarms, brow area, bikini area, and leg, and etc. Over here the skin tone and body hair type is mentioned, that it will work for which body type and hair type. So this is the hair color. So over here they have mentioned the hair color and the skin. The skin should be lighter. It will not work for really dark skin, as there is a cross. And hair type also, like really brown, light brownish color hair, it won't work. So hair color should be darker and coffee color and little lighter from that, but not more lighter. And the skin color should not be dark, means it should not be black. So this product will work on those only. So let's not waste much time and open this. It's packed in a box, and then there's some follow pack, and how we can, yeah, from here. So here you go. Wow, this product looks amazing. So this is how it looks. You have to tear this, and it will come out from here. Okay, I'll give you a view later on. So this is the Venus razor I was talking about, which they are giving free. It has a plug charging points. So if you have these kind of round shape, it will get easily to that. If not, they are giving you this square type of thingy, square rectangular plug, so you can use both of them. That's good, they have given both the options. And this is the power thingy where you have to charge your product, with which it would work. So let's not waste much time, and I'll tell you the price of this product. It costed me 79 Omani Riyal. That means
multiply 2.6.
Multiply 2.6, it will come in USD. So go for it and multiply that. How should I take it off? Oh, there is this thing, and here it goes. So as you can see from nearby, there is one space, it has light inside it. So this light will be working, and there's something else. I have to read about it more, but the booklet is not there. Wow, that's amazing. So I'll check on Google how to use it, and in my next video I'll let you know whether it worked good or not. So till then, thank you friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe. This time I've mentioned the price of the product. You can go and purchase it, and you can even see the review. I'll give you the review about it. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.